Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Team National review. You're probably here trying to decide whether you want to join or not. I'm not with this company, but I'm going to give you an overview. And then if you stick around until the end, I'll give you some keywords that you can market this business on YouTube. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well. Just to let you make an informed buying decision if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the Team National review. What exactly is Team National? It is an MLM company selling memberships to their savings club. And it was founded back in 1997 by Dick Lohr, and is now run by his daughter Angela. The company is a member of the Direct Selling Association, so that's good, and it has over $1 billion in product sales since they launched in 1997. Some of the companies that they're involved in the savings program with are Hotels.com, Shaw Floors, AT&T, Aflac, ADP, and MetLife. They also give cash back rebates on some well-known stores like Target, Home Depot, Walmart. And their savings are in 4 different areas: group buying power, factory direct pricing, business services, and rebate programs. They also have a nonprofit called Team National Hope Foundation, and they help families, children, animals, and more. I'm not sure what the more is, but that's really great. And as far as the training with Team National, on their website, they show that they have what's called Platinum Retreat, and it's this facility that they built in Arkansas, and it's used for team building and mentoring, so that's really good. Also on their website, they do have guidelines for successful sharing, do's and don'ts, things that you should and should not do, and then an ethics training as well. The cost to join, it costs nothing to become a Team National distributor, but it's obviously to have the membership, there's going to be costs. That's going to be $21.95 for the premium membership. That's a lifetime membership, and it can be shared with your immediate family, like your children, grandparents. And then if you have a business, it can be shared with up to 5 employees. Then the standard membership is $7.95, and that's a 2-year membership. Same thing, you can share it with immediate family and employees if you're a business owner. And if anyone's a part of team membership and I have anything wrong on here, make sure you leave a comment below the video and let me know if this is not up to date. But this is the best that I could find. It's difficult to find things on their website, so this is what I found. And then as far as the compensation plan, it's kind of hard to explain, so I was going to leave a video here, and I'll leave a link to this blog post in the description below this video, but you can watch it. It's like a 3-minute long video showing how you can make money. And then I did find an income disclosure statement for this company, which is great because that'll tell you how much people make with this company. Like last year, let's see, over 26,000 people only made $175 for the whole year. So you can see that over 80% of the people don't make more than $3,000 a year. But if you move on up to double platinum, you can see that 40 people made anywhere from $203,000 to $870,000, so that's good. There's people making a lot of money with this company. They have been around for over 20 years. So the thing that I find, though, with most network marketing companies is most people don't make very much, because the average that anyone recruits is 1.5 in their whole lifetime of being in MLM, so that's not very much. And I feel like generally the marketing strategies that they teach you are outdated. And a lot of times they'll tell you to go on Facebook and post your link, and there'll be people that'll be interested. That's not the case that I have found, and many other people as well. And you're going to run out of friends and family to talk to very quickly. In order to make a large income, you're going to need a lot of people joining Team National, because you can't just go out and talk to thousands of people like they tell you to and have people join, because there's not a lot of people that want to start a home-based business and really truly know what it takes. They'll say they want to earn extra money from home, but they really just want a second job. And you want to find people who actually want to join a savings club. So when you put yourself in front of people who actually want what you have to offer, it becomes so much easier. I'm not a part of Team National, but actually I'm not a part of any MLM. I do affiliate marketing now, but a little bit about my story in case you hadn't heard in my other videos is that I did start with a travel MLM back in 2007. Thought I was going to get rich and leave my job as a physical therapist because, when you go to the meetings, it seems as though everyone's making a lot of money, which I found later on is not always the case. And I did run out of friends and family to talk to very quickly. We were taught to talk to strangers in the mall and also at gas stations. Pretty much anywhere you went, you're supposed to talk to people in line at the grocery store or shopping. It just doesn't work out very well. We went to job fairs hoping that people who were out of work would be interested in joining. That did not work out so well either. I bought MLM leads from Tim Sales. I did cold calling. No one joined. Very uncomfortable. So then I turned to the internet, and I was basically just chasing people on the internet. I didn't know what I was doing. But as I said, I'm not a part of an MLM right now. I do affiliate marketing, but I was forced to take several years leave from marketing because of some very severe family health problems. And I was basically, I didn't want to get a second job, so I came back online to help pay for some medical bills because it was very expensive. And I came back online last summer 2018, and I decided I wanted to hire a coach because I wanted things to work this time. And I learned how to market on YouTube. And it's worked out really well for me since last summer. Some of my results is that I generate targeted leads every day. I have people join my opportunity on autopilot. I've had $1,000 and $2,000 days on autopilot. And people come to me wanting to join me rather than me chasing them. And I would say some marketing ideas that I want to give you is YouTube, because it's a great platform. It's free to do it. I've been able to rank the majority of my videos on the first page of YouTube, and a lot of them I can rank #1 for targeted keywords. So it's a really great way to market. But people go to YouTube because they want to solve problems. They want to look at maybe a review on something before they buy it. And so people come there all the time, and if you can get in front of those people and solve their problems, and specifically with Team National, it would be on how to save money and how to have more money to spend, and that's basically everybody there. You want to build an email list of people that are interested in starting a home-based business, and YouTube is a great way to do that. So I wanted to give you some keywords, ideas that you can market Team National on YouTube. So if you go to Google and type in keywords everywhere, you'll find a free Google Chrome extension, and that will tell you how many searches there are a month for each keyword. So if we go over to YouTube and type in membership clubs, this is an idea that I had for you. You will find there are 1,030 searches for that keyword a month, and it's likely that those people are looking for membership clubs. So if you get in front of those people, you can do a video around just educating what membership clubs are, and then you can have a call to action at the end of your video. If you'd like to learn my #1 membership club for saving money, you can click on the first link in the description below the video. You can capture their name and their email, get them on your email list, and continue to provide valuable information to them. You can have a link in your emails to your team membership, and that way you can market to them without being real salesy, and these people are actually coming to you. If you want to find out the competition, all in title, you type that all as one word, and then you put your keyword in quotation marks, and you want to find keywords that have a lot of searches but not a lot of competition. So if you do that and you scroll down and you find that there's not more than one page of results, that's really good. Ideally not more than 10. This one, there is not more than one page. My computer's running slow today for some reason, but that is a great keyword. Some other ones are how to be thrifty, how to save money on travel, how to save money on your electric bill, best MLM companies to join. Now, as far as how to be thrifty, there's a couple books that I wanted to share with you, because you can create videos around things that you find in books or just things that you research on the internet. But these are some great books. This one is The Complete Tightwad Gazette. I've read this. It's a super thick book, but it's amazing. They just give you ideas on how you can save money and just basically have more money each month by things that you normally do, and you just do them a different way. So this is a really great book. And then this one, Flipping Burgers to Flipping Millions. This gentleman was a McDonald's employee. He loved McDonald's. He moved up to being a manager, and he wrote this book on how he became a millionaire on that salary. You know, the power of compound interest, but you could take some ideas from this book and make videos around them. I'll leave links to both of these in the description below this video, but you can get them on Amazon. And then again, best MLM companies to join. There's a little bit more competition on that, but these are people that you don't have to convince that MLM is a great thing to do to make money. Another added benefit of having a YouTube channel is Google AdSense, where if you have a YouTube channel around one specific topic, it's easier for them, YouTube, to place ads on your videos, but you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you apply for the Partners Program. And then you will earn money when people click on ads on your videos. And this is just my results since last March. So I got approved on March 27th, 28th. And so this is what I've been able to earn since then. And you know, you could even take this money and put it in an investment, and that money could grow for you over time, you know, each month. So that's another great way, besides making money with Team National, is that you could have a YouTube channel and earn money residually that way. So I hope you guys found some value in this Team National review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.